But yeah, man, it look like this video gonna be a real crazy one, I feel like, on the low on some shit. It's a rainy day right now. Look at this shit. Pontiac, I don't know, Chevrolet, GM, all the niggas, they was onto something when they dropped this car. I do not understand why they only made it for 2 years. Let's do it. YouTube, what the fuck going on? You already know it's your boy Young Sniper coming back here on another banger video. And today is the day right after Christmas. As y'all tell, I got some little present in the backseat and shit. But, man, shit, it was raining outside, as y'all boys can tell, and you know what time it is. I'm coming with a fucking banger for y'all boys today. Y'all gotta make sure y'all like on this video, comment, subscribe. Also, like I keep on telling y'all, y'all gotta let me know what y'all want to see, bruh. Because, I mean, I know what y'all be wanting to see, twin, but just put me down, you know what I'm saying? Like, you put me down a little bit and I know a little bit more type shit. But, man, y'all already know I ain't gonna do a lot of talking in this shit. We're just gonna get straight to the video. And, yeah, let's do it. All right, YouTube. If you do not know, we are in Mexico. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we're talking about this first turn. Oh my God. I gotta shift gears, y'all. And I gotta make sure I keep this damn windshield clean for y'all boys so y'all can see what the fuck going on. But oh my God. It look like it's gonna be a real... Oh my God, they been popping like a motherfucker. But yeah, man, it look like this video gonna be a real crazy one, I feel like, on the low on some shit. Cause what the fuck? Is the light not working up there or something? Oh, there it goes, it's working. I was about to say, the left side of that bit out on some shit. Shit, these niggas going up, man. I think I might have to do a little standstill from y'all boy. Let's do it. Oh my God. It's getting real out there, bitch. They don't paint the tire shop over here, y'all. That bitch low-key hard now. I need to be hitting them boys up. Man, matter of fact, y'all got some tire sponsors. Let me the fuck know, bro. You see what I be doing, man. I need folks with the tire deals for real. And no, I do not buy brand new tires. If you know me, then you know, bro. I feel like buying brand new tires is retarded in my opinion. All I do is slide, bro. And I understand y'all probably looking at it like, well, Jalen, if you spend more money, shit, you can get some brand new tires and you'll be able to slide on them tires for a long time. My nigga, I could spend cheap money, buy some cheap tires, and I promise you I be sliding on them bitches for a long ass time too. Like, shit, these the same tire. These the same Camaro tires I've been sliding on since I don't had these Camaro rims, y'all. And I know y'all probably like, what the fuck? Yes. I've been doing some crazy shit on these tires and they're still, I ain't gonna say they good, because on my mama, these hoes is not good no more. The wire, it's showing wire right now, but I mean, shit, I don't know what to say. I mean, I don't know how to stop. That's my problem, shit. I just love this car, y'all. If y'all do own a G8 or in the market for a G8, I will tell you, bro, like, this car is fucking, I tell y'all niggas every trip, this car fun as fuck. Oh God, like, it's a rainy day right now. Look at this shit. This bitch just get to dancing, bro. Like, that shit was just spinning the whole time. I kid you not. You will love this car, bro. Like, shit, bro. Pontiac, I don't know, Chevrolet, GM, all the niggas, they was onto something when they dropped this car. I do not understand why they only made it for 2 years, but hey, it is what it is, shit. If you got one, you got one. If you don't, go get one. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how I'm coming with this shit, bro, because G8s, they're very, very, very fun cars, bro. And I know I need to, really and truly, y'all, my shit not even geeked up. Everybody and mama think my shit geeked up, bro. It's a muffler, resonator delete, and an intake on this bitch. That is it. I promise you, I don't even got no tune yet. I gotta go get a tune for this motherfucker soon. But shit, I got other shit on the way that I can't too much disclose because I be having lame ass niggas watching me.
You hate on a nigga. I don't understand why you hate on me, nigga.
We don't understand.
Show love, nigga. It don't show nothing. It don't cost nothing to show a nigga love.
All we doing
nigga.
is getting money.
Show a nigga some love.
Not y'all, but you know who you are if you watching this video type shit. But yeah, I got a lot of folks that be trying to, not a lot of folks, but you know what I'm saying, this couple niggas out here, they be watching me, you know what I'm saying, from afar, trying to figure out what the fuck I got going on, and they think they know everything and they don't know a goddamn thing. So yeah, to you idiots, I don't know. You niggas is dumb. That's all I got to say, bro. But shit, the G8, stuff is on the way. That's all I got to say. Like stuff is here. It's just not on the car. You know what I'm saying? Like some stuff, but then you got some stuff that is like, yeah, real life on the way. And shit, when that shit get real, I ain't gonna lie, y'all boys, I hope y'all get used to the back end of the G8 because that's all these niggas is finna start seeing now. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I love sliding, y'all, and that's my passion and shit. But the kid is real life finna get into that, you know what I'm saying, that racing shit also a little bit. But I am still a slider, don't get me wrong. I'm not leaving the slide world. That shit's forever with me. Really and truly, y'all, I'm trying to get into goddamn drifting and shit. I was telling the bros that shit. I'm finna start trying to drift a little bit. But that's coming in the near future, if y'all boys stay tuned for that. But I got a turn coming up here. Chick-fil-A on Pat. Fuck that Chick-fil-A. Even though I do fuck with Chick-fil-A though. But fuck that one. Come on, niggas, bring y'all live. Y'all driving all slow and shit. Not like K-Shine car right there with some 10 on that motherfucker. Check our surroundings, make sure we don't see no police real quick. Cause if you don't know, now you know, face ass. Any nigga driving slow as fuck, I can't even hit that bitch. Now. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God. Y'all see how that bitch just instantly, the whole ass of the car just shifts to the right. Watch this, hold on. This bitch just love to spin, bruh. Oh shit, hopefully I don't scare this Honda owner right here. Show that boy some.
Motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
No.
Oh my God, y'all. See how fast them numbers just jump? Oh my God.